Hello, how are you? And welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's good to be back. This is the second video of the week. I had made a pact with my dad. like it's between me and dad. He's going to post his videos every single week. He has a different channel of singing, not on YouTube. It's on a different platform, and I'm going to post 2 videos every single day on YouTube. So this is my second video of the week, and I'm really excited about it. And I'm going to continue the same thing. So let's hope for the best. Now, before jumping directly into the video, I just want to quickly mention that the registration for August A1 level batch has started. So if you want to register yourself for a free demo lecture, all you have to do is just message me on the contacts below. You can WhatsApp me, you can mail me, you can DM me on Instagram. The demo lecture is on 15th August. It is Sunday. I'll mention the timings on the screen. So you can contact me on the given information. I'll put the information on in the description box as well. All you have to do is share me your full name. Please share your full name because it gets really confusing. Please share your full name, your WhatsApp phone number, and your country. That's all you have to share. And now, before further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay. The first question is from Nidhi Alawat. If I'm saying your name wrong, I'm really sorry. But hello Nidhi, how are you? Can you suggest something for A2 level speaking practice for exam? Basically for your A2 level, you have 3 tiles. If you haven't watched my oral exam video, I'll link all of the videos. I'll put all the thumbnails as well. You can check all of it. But like, if you ask me 3 top tips which I would give for A2 level is: number 1, daily speak minimum 10 sentences on any topic. Try to speak 10 sentences on any topic. It can be your family, it can be your best friend, teacher, house, dog, cat, something you saw on the road, something you saw in your college. It can be about college, school, anything. Speak about anything. What you ate on that day, how was your weekend, what did you do on the weekend, what do you do in your free time, what's your hobby. Speak on any topic, but speak minimum 10 sentences on the spot, and record your voice. Record it so that you can hear your sentences after you have said it. That's the number 1 tip. Number 2, be perfect with your modal verbs and know how to use your modal verbs while framing sentences. Trust me, I take A2 classes and I know that you need modal verbs. Okay, you need modal verbs. Even in B2 level, I still need modal verbs. Have to know the modal verbs and how to use those modal verbs. Because once you know how to use modal verbs, the way you make sentences, and the whole entire process becomes so much easier. I cannot emphasize how modal verbs is important. So please do your modal verbs real good. That's my second tip. My third tip would be good in your WH questions. Now, since you are in A2 level, I am hoping that you already have mastered your WH questions. You know different types of WH questions. You know the structure. You can frame questions on any word. So know the WH questions as well as do the vocabulary of A2 level, because you never know what question might come in the exam. And if you don't know that particular word, if you don't know the meaning of that particular word, then it would become really difficult for you to frame any WH question. So these were my 3 tips for A2 level oral exam. Alright, now the next question is from Joy Banerjee. Joy, your photo is so cute. It's about a dog. It's so cute. Can you please suggest some books for beginner level, some basic books for beginner level? Well, okay, I think the lighting is too dull. Let's brighten it up. Ta-da! Alright. Can you please suggest some basic books for beginner level? Of course. Wait, I'll bring it in a second. 1 second. Alright, I'm back. So, these are the 3 basic books which I would recommend. All of these books are from Veer. I used to use this when I was in my school. We had something called as a hobby class, and it was like a more extracurricular class. So I used to use these. They used to provide us this. Look at you. Look here. Prarthana Pai, 8th Standard Division C. I've written my name. So yes, I used to use this in my school, and it's extremely good. It has covered a lot of vocabulary, good grammar topics which would be useful for your day-to-day life. It would make your base really good for your A1 exam. This is what I would suggest. And you can use these books if, like, I have few comments about a few parents, like which book would you suggest for my child. So if your child is in school, then you can definitely use these come in 3 there are 3 cases, 3 books. One is Veer Module 1 and 2, another is Module 3 and 4, and then finally you have Module 5 Film and 6. So these are the 3 books which I would recommend. I don't know if Amazon has it now. Earlier Amazon used to sell it, like there were these books available. I don't know if it is available now, but if it is, I'll just put the link in the description box and you can check. Next is by Yuvraj Prabhu. Yuvraj, hi Yuvraj, how are you? Actually, Yuvraj is my student and he is in A1 level. This teacher A1 course is very good. I have experienced it. Thank you so much, Yuvraj. He is in 8th standard and he is doing A1 level. Trust me, he is doing so good in his A1 level. It's commendable. Sometimes it's difficult for people, like for students who are in like 8th standard or 9th standard. Sometimes it's difficult, but he is doing it so good. Like, it's unbelievable. I'm so proud of him. Next question is from Rajkumar N. Hi, do you know any online content for sample audio and questions? Yes, depending upon your level, but just go on YouTube and write something like A1 urine or A1 listening practice exercises, and you will find a lot. Like, there are tons of exercises for A1, and there are few videos where you get the audio as well as they will give you the transcript is basically the written format of whatever is going on in the audio. So they will give you an entire transcript as well, and you can have so much fun with that audio. You can learn really fast with those audios. So just search. If possible, I'll just put few links in the description box as well, so that you don't have to waste time looking for it. Okay, next one is from Bhakti Kesarkar. Hi Bhakti, I have one doubt, and that is I'm preparing for A1 right now. If I give A1 level, then is it mandatory to give A2 exam with an interval of 6 months in Gyothe Institute? There are 2 options. If you are an internal student, like if you're learning A1 through Gyothe Institute itself, like you're a student of Gyothe Institute, then yes, there are some restrictions, like you have to give exam something like within 3 months or 6 months, I'm not sure right now. But yes, if you're an internal student, you have to give exam immediately. But that's not the case with the external students. For example, if you're someone who is studying by yourself, or you have applied in any different institution, any private class, and you're learning there, and you're just going to give exam in Gyothe Institute, then you don't have any time restrictions. You can give exam anytime you want. I have given A1 exam in my 10th standard, and I've given A2 exam in my 12th standard. Like, I have had 2 years gap. Reason being, when I was in 11th and 12th in college, I had French, so I had to stop German for some time, and that's the reason why I had 2 years of gap. So yes, you can give exams after 6 months, after 1 year, whenever you want. There's no time restriction. Next one, I don't know the name, but I'll show it to you. Actually, I'll put a picture on the screen. Really helpful watching while heading to examination hall. I had no idea how, but this video is better than 2 months of learning German in class. That's the highest compliment I've ever got. Like literally the highest compliment. It makes me so much happy because really, like, imagine, and this is what happens to me. It doesn't matter how much you learn, how much you study for the entire year, but that last minute learning with your friend, that last minute study with your friend, or when the friend explains you that sum or that question in the last 5 minutes, you learn so much in that last 5 minutes with your friend than you have ever learned in that entire year. And this is exactly what it means to me. It makes me so much happy. You made my day. I don't know your name, just comment down below. I really want to know your name because it's just plants and trees and I really want to know your name. So thank you so much. It really made my day. Next one is from Meenal MM. Hi Meenal, how are you? Hello ma'am, can you please tell the important grammar topics that needs to be perfectly mastered or maybe should know about till A2 exam, as I am self-studying for A2, so please answer this. It would be of a great help. Yes, definitely I'm going to make a video on the important topics of A2 level. If you don't know, I've made a similar video for A1 level, so definitely by the next week you will have all the important topics for A2 level, and then let me know if those were helpful. I really like to talk with you guys. It's just fun to know you guys. Okay, that's it for today's video. Let me know if you like such videos. We are going to do this every single week. I'm really excited, happy. It makes me happy to talk with you guys and to know you guys and to know your progress with it doesn't matter like which level you are, A1, A2, B1, even C2, but I would love to know your progress. And we are a humongous army right now. Let's see today's count. 1 second. Let's see today's count. We are at 3,674 subscribers. Makes me a lot happy. So let's keep growing. This is the one big fat happy family. So yeah, I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, cheers.